Hi Chestnut class, I'm going to show you an animation that I made in Scratch. This is a memory game, so see if you can see what sprites appear and remember them. Let's press the green flag to get started. 1 disappeared, 2 disappeared, and 3 disappeared. Put your hand up if you can remember what sprites there were. Thank you for watching my memory game. I hope you could remember the sprites I used. You're now going to make your own memory game. It's quite tricky and there's lots of code, so make sure you're listening and paying attention. Open Scratch Junior. Press the Home button. Press the plus button to start a new project. I'm going to delete this sprite and add my own. So I'll hold it down and now press the red cross to delete it. Let's click the plus and scroll for a new sprite. Once you've chosen, click the tick. Perfect, let's add another sprite. Scroll and choose. Once you've chosen, click the tick. And now a third and final sprite. Scroll and choose. And click the tick. Perfect. Now let's spread them out on our screen because they're all on top of each other. Click and drag them where you want them. Click and drag the sprites around the screen. Perfect. Now they're all spread out. Let's start writing our code. Click on the first sprite you chose. There we go. Now click the yellow tab and drag down the flag block. Next, we're going to use a new block. Press the purple tab. Drag down this person block, the one that's filled in. Great, now click the orange tab. Pull down this clock block. Fab, click the purple tab again and drag down this other person block, the one that isn't filled in. Now click the green flag and check your code. Our sprite disappears, perfect. Let's make the code for our second sprite. Click the yellow tab again and pull down the flag block. Now click the orange tab and drag down the clock block. Change the number to 20. Now click the purple tab. Drag down the filled in person block. Now click the orange tab again. Drag down the clock block and change the number to 30. Click the purple block once more and drag down this person block, the one that is not filled in. Let's test our code again. Press the green flag. Our first sprite disappeared. Our second sprite disappeared. Now let's do our code for our third sprite. Click the yellow tab. Pull down the flag block. Click the orange tab. Drag down the clock block and change it to 40. Click the purple block. Drag down the filled in person block. Click the orange tab. Drag down the clock block once again. Change this to 50. Lastly, press the purple block and pull down the not filled in person. Let's test our code once again. Our first sprite disappeared. Our second sprite disappeared. Our third sprite disappeared. Well done! See what you can add to your game and then show your friends and see if they remember the sprites for your memory game. Now we're going to fill in our worksheets. Draw your first sprite here. I did a starfish, so I'm going to draw my starfish. Okay. Now, I need to write the number that was under the clock for the code for my starfish sprite. I remember that it was 10, so I'm going to write 10. Did you keep yours at 10 or did you change it? Make sure you write the right number. Next, my second sprite was a sun, so I'm going to draw a sun. My numbers for these clock blocks were different. This one was 20 and this one was 30. Now, for my last sprite, I had a baby. So I'm going to draw the baby here. And I remember that the numbers beneath my clock blocks were 40 and 50. Perfect! My worksheet is finished. I can stick it in my book and keep adding to my code.